This is an unboxing video of a Hoover I just purchased. It's the ZAN2000A Hoover. We bought this Hoover for £69.96, which I think is a very reasonable price for a Hoover these days, especially when you can pay hundreds and hundreds for a Dyson. Just start by laying out all the components on the floor. Take the plastic off. You got your instructions there. Pretty detailed instructions. Energy rating B. As you can see, the quality is not great. You can see the little plastic bits hanging off there. It sounds very hollow and tinny also. Very easy to assemble. Just a little pan around the Hoover like they do in car commercials, showing off. Alright, this is the next day. Time to get using it. It does push very easily. It brings up a lot of the dirt and grime on the carpet. You can see all the grime whizzing around in the cyclone there. That knob, you turn it to go over different kind of carpets. This is a deep pile rug that we've got. That's a major issue. The pipe, there's not really a good mechanism for holding the pipe where it should be. And you'll see in a minute. Look at that, the pipe, it just flops around like that. It's really annoying, very irritating. Right, that little switch, we're changing it over onto the pipe. This is the accessory set that comes with it. Got your little nozzle and your extending tube. That helps you get right up into the tops of the corners and into the bottom crevices, the hard to reach places. And that's just a little quick shot that shows you how much dirt it accumulates. This is how you open the storage bin. Twist and it opens, and then you dump that in the bin. And it's very easy to go back on. You just press the button and slide it on. All done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I did actually enjoy making this. My first ever voiceover video, so I'm still getting to grips with the mechanics of doing a voiceover. If you'd like to see more of these videos in the future, then hit the like button so I know that you appreciate them, and I'll bring you some more unboxing videos.